In this video, I'm going to be going over how to embed SoundCloud on WordPress step by step. Embedding a SoundCloud track, playlist, or album on WordPress is a quick and easy process. By the end of this video, you will successfully have SoundCloud embedded on your WordPress website. Let's get started. To start, I'm in the WordPress dashboard. Click Post or Pages found in the left side menu. The steps are the same whether you want to embed SoundCloud on a WordPress page or WordPress post. I'll click Post for this tutorial. Next, click Edit under the page or post you want to add SoundCloud to. Next, scroll down where you want SoundCloud to be embedded at. Click the plus icon. In the search field, type in Custom HTML. Select Custom HTML. Now go to SoundCloud. I have a track pulled up here. The steps here are the same whether you want to embed a track, album, or playlist. Here's the track I want to embed on WordPress. Click Share under what you want to share. Next, click Embed. Up at the top, you can choose from different ways the embed will show. Here's this example. For this one, you can change the size right here if you'd like. If I click on the next one, it'll change to look. The third one is for pro users, so you have to have SoundCloud Pro to use. Next, you can change the color of the SoundCloud player showing. You can choose to have the song automatically play. The other selections you have to be a pro user. Next, click the code and then copy it. I'll head back over to WordPress. I'll paste in the code for the SoundCloud embed. Next, you can click Preview to preview the SoundCloud embed. I'll click back on HTML. Next, click the Update button at the top to save your changes. I'll then click the View Post icon found here, and it'll bring up the preview of the WordPress post. Scroll down and you'll see SoundCloud has successfully been embedded on WordPress. That is how to embed SoundCloud on WordPress. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.